Are you ready to sell your home but worry about the cost of necessary updates and repairs? Meet RealVitalize, the ultimate solution for homeowners looking to maximize home value without the upfront expense. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I serve the Chicagoland and the suburbs, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. With RealVitalize, you can transform your home to make it more appealing to buyers and sell it for more money. In fact, most homes using RealVitalize sell at or above listing price. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me and enroll your property in RealVitalize. The approval comes within 24 to 48 hours. Step 2. Our Angie project consultant connects with you for a top local service professional to scope the work, provide the estimates, and schedule the projects. You get a dedicated consultant to guide your renovation journey, ensuring everything stays on time and on budget. Step 3. Renovate. Our trusted professionals handle everything from carpentry and landscaping to kitchen and bathroom upgrades, all guaranteed by Angie for quality and satisfaction. Step 4. Sell. When your home closes, the costs are simply deducted from the sales proceeds. No interest, no markups, no fees. That's simple. So maximize your home's value and sell with confidence. Contact me today and ask me about enrolling with RealVitalize. Transform your home and achieve the best possible sale price without a problem. Making your home sale journey seamless and successful. Enroll today and see the difference. For more information on how to use this awesome project to sell your property, give me a call at 773-550-4846. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and don't forget to share, comment, and like, and follow us on our social media for more real estate educational videos. Thank you.